In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a small business website with durable AI. By the end, you'll have a clear path from your first click to taking your site live, even if you've never built a website before. First, start your website by heading to the Durable AI Website Builder. You'll see simple prompts asking for your business type, your monthly revenue, or the just starting option, your location and your business name. Fill those in and click Generate. The AI will create a complete first draft for you. Pages, sections, and visuals that match your industry and area. Don't worry if your details aren't perfect yet. You can refine everything in the next steps, and your business name can be edited later if needed. Now, customize your content. Click directly on any text to rewrite it in your own voice, and swap images to match your brand. If a section doesn't land, use the Regenerate option to quickly try a new version. In the Customize menu, adjust colors, fonts, and overall theme. Aim for a simple color palette, strong contrast for readability, and fonts that are easy to scan on mobile. Add extra sections like a contact form to capture leads, testimonials to build trust, or a gallery to showcase your work. Use high-quality images, keep headlines concise, and make your call to action clear, so visitors know what to do next. Quick note before we continue. I've placed a link to the Durable AI website at the top of the description, so you can follow along or start building right now. Next, add pages and tools. Go to Pages and select Create New to build essentials like About, Services, or a blog. The About page should share a brief story of your mission and who you serve. On Services, outline what you offer and what makes it valuable. If you enable a blog, short posts that answer common customer questions can help you get found online. To speed things up, use the built-in AI copywriter to draft or improve your content. Then, tweak the tone to match your brand and audience. Before you go live, review everything and preview your site on mobile. Check that text reads well on a small screen, buttons are easy to tap, images resize cleanly, and forms are simple to submit. When you're happy, publish your website by upgrading inside Durable AI. Upgrading unlocks the Publish option so your site can go live. That's it. If this walkthrough helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone starting a business. The link to Durable AI is at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.